So, if you made a mistake with a Sharpie, which is permanent, can't get it off, never gonna come off. Well, I found out a way to get it off. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need Old Spice. I don't know, body spray thing. I do not own Old Spice or Sharpie, so just to let you know. So do that. Put it down. And look. And boom. You got Sharpie done. You could just rub it off after. Peace.